I wish I didn't have to run every time I say. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think. Move very haste and I care what you think. Wanna move very haste and I care what you think.
Hey, 2 minutes. I'll kill a dragon. My life will get infinitely better. I might even get a date.
You can't lift a hammer. You can't swing an axe. You can't even throw one of these.
300 years, and I'm the first Viking who wouldn't kill a dragon. I wouldn't kill him because he looked as frightened as I was. I looked at him, and I saw myself.
Going back to your place?
Hey, your dragon just shot at us. Yes, I know. I told him to.
Ah, you're a demon! No, I'm not a demon. I'm not a demon. See?
Holla back, bitch, tell me your name and why you think that fucking crazy gonna run up your face. I heard you talk about Aisha, even copy the look. I heard you taking my identity while keeping you crook. I fucking change it up daily.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love.
Well, now you know where I get my dramatic flair.
She ride dick like a carnival. Feeling over, having flashbacks, she gon' eat me up like a carnival. The way I pop my shit, the whole
Attaboy, that's it! Come here!
Stop! It's the great Dragon Master, the son of Stoic the Fast. What shame he must feel.
Isn't out there, Hiccup. It's in here. Maybe you just don't see it yet.
Maybe. But you know, there is something out there.
Hiccup.
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 Don't say it.
I wasn't going to.
I shouldn't have dragged you out there. He wouldn't have flown me back. She wouldn't have followed.
Yep,
Ah! I feel like the same screw-up I was before I met Toothless.
I can see that.
Are you just gonna stand there and agree with everything?
Well, you're right. You're back to where you started. But I was the first to believe in you. And I have watched you doubt whether you're worthy ever since. But you know what? I am the person I am today because of you. I never told you that, but it's true. You are the bravest, most stubborn, most determined knucklehead I know. Toothless didn't give you that hair. He just made it.
Easier.
And now it's gonna be a lot harder. So, what are you gonna do about it?
Probably something stupid.
That's the Hiccup I know. Hiccup. 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 Hiccup.